Our friends from Ford are all about mobility and are here to show our veterans convenient ways to move from point A to B.
This is our brand new Transit. This is what we call a medium roof and extended wheelbase. Obviously allows you to have plenty of room to put whatever you want in here. You know, you can put gear in here, you can put people in here.
We do a lot of travel back and forth from the airports.
All right.
This would be a huge thing for us. Ford and Oscar Mike could be a great partnership because Ford can help Oscar Mike stay on the move.
Chris, this is the Ford Explorer with a Braun MXV conversion. You push the button twice on the remote, the door automatically opens up. It's really nice inside. Why don't you roll on up, take a look inside?
Yeah, I'd like to check it out. You can still jump out of a plane. You can still learn to fly. You can still ride a Razor, shoot a gun, do a Spartan race. If we can make it fit our family aspect, get more people in there, more people in chairs, more room for them to move around, it's going to be a huge help.
This portion of the program was brought to you in part by Ford Motor Company.
We got one last big surprise for you guys. Let's head out there, see everybody, and
all right, let's do that.
Get some goodies.
Cool.
So I want to introduce you to one of our partners, Giselle. She's from the Ford Motor Company, and she is here to give you a little something.
We are so inspired by the work that you all have been doing to help keep veterans on the move. So on behalf of the Ford Motor Company Fund, we'd like to present the Oscar Mike Foundation with a check, $25,000.
Ford truck.
The Oscar Mike Foundation hauls a trailer that's filled with heavy equipment across the nation. They need a truck that's built Ford tough. I know you got some guys that are out traveling right now, so can you tell me a little bit about what they're doing and how do they get around the country?
So they're at a Spartan race. It's one of the things that we do. We bring injured veterans through the obstacle course races, and we usually have to drive there to all of them.
So you probably have to have a really dependable vehicle, right?
We do.
Something that's built Ford tough?
Yeah.
Kind of something that Ford does?
Yeah, definitely.
Kind of maybe like the one you see out here?
Get out of here.
Do you think you could use something like that?
Yeah, we could definitely use that.
Noah, I'm so happy to be able to say, on behalf of Ford Motor Company, we will be able to provide you with a truck much like the one we see out here.